Now, the question is, can you stop the buy or sell trade manually instead of waiting for stop and target? Yes, of course. You can stop it at any time. Naturally, as soon as it's in profit, it's stopped. See, it formed the buy again right here. See this candle? There you go. It's that entry price. So now we'd be in this buy. So right here, it's shooting down. I'd be in this buy right here. So very simply, the same way the audio will sound once this goes green or red. Once this goes green, it says trade up now or buy BTC now. When it goes red, it says sell BTC now. But it's the same thing. You don't need audio alerts to follow the candlesticks because you actually want to know how to read the charts. Because once you get good at this, you won't be looking at the candles at all. It's just in the beginning, you want to understand how they work so you can do it like breathing with consistent discipline. And please don't confuse yourself. You cannot learn this without doing it. Back when I started in 2006, there was no such thing as demo accounts. The minimum balance or the minimum deposit size was $10,000. You can deposit the $500 margin and start at $0 risk. You can change your order quantity to 0.01 and just practice. So that way you risk nothing. On 0.01, even if the market flies like 100 points, that's only going to be 10 cents. So if you don't have 10 cents, I don't know where you live, but this is not the place to be. So practice as small as you can and just get used to the flow. So that way you can start doing it like breathing, because there's no difference between $1 million trading and $10 trading. Whoever was on this trade and this trend was on this trade and this trend. There's no difference between you, me, or him, or anyone. So start small and practice small. You can see it's shooting up now and might continue. And this is just a double green. If this is a double green, we could add on a second buy to this to max out our total percent at 1%, our total risk at 1%, because it's doing it failed already and now it's coming back up, which means there's uncertainty here. This just means a whole bunch of people are confused wherever that's happening, multiplied by the compounding effect of trillions of transactions worldwide. I'm already up 1% on my balance. Exactly. Perfect.